Hi all. Today I'm going to talk about Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. But, before we start, now you can win iPhone 11 Pro. Super easy. What you should do is click the link in description box. Finish the offer now. Wait till iPhone 11 Pro be yours. Now, should you buy the Galaxy Z Flip? The pivotal question surrounding whether you should consider buying a Galaxy Z Flip is whether you can trust Samsung's claims about the screen's durability. That is, consequently, the one question I simply cannot answer with such a short period of time using the phone. This is likely the most durable folding screen in a smartphone by some margin. But we know it won't be as durable as a standard smartphone. And can't know for months and months whether it holds up to continued daily use. If you land on the positive end of the spectrum on the display, and are willing to give it a try, there are general philosophical questions about how much value you place on having your phone fold in the first place. Unlike the Galaxy Fold, you're not paying to get more, you're paying to get less. To be able to fold the phone when it's not in use. The Z Flip is absolutely more compact and pocketable than any other smartphone when folded. But whether that benefit of compact storage is actually worth it to you is a personal decision. When the Galaxy Z Flip costs $380, more than a base Galaxy S20. You should probably be certain that you see value in the combination of the compact form factor and novelty of folding the phone in half. Because in order to get those two things, you're compromising and giving up several other little things that all detract from the smartphone experience. We're all used to, with the Z Flip, Samsung's closing that gap between flat and foldable phones, but it isn't there yet.